You don't lose focus because you're lazy. You lose focus because your mind is fighting a battle you can't see. Today, in just a few minutes, you'll learn the psychology behind focus, why your attention slips so easily, and how to fix it. Part 1. The real reason you get distracted. Your brain is not built to stay focused. It's built to scan for danger. Every notification, every sound, every unfinished task, feels like a threat. Your mind isn't wandering, it's protecting you, but today, that survival system destroys your clarity. Part 2. The attention residue effect. When you switch tasks, your mind doesn't fully let go. Part of your attention stays stuck in the previous task. This leftover mental load is called attention residue. It's why your mind feels foggy after scrolling. Why work feels heavy after checking messages. You're not broken, you're overloaded. Part 3. How to fix it. 1. One task window, only one task visible, everything else closed. 2. 10-minute lock-in. Tell yourself, I'll give this just 10 minutes. This removes resistance. 3. Reset pause. Anytime you switch tasks, take a 10-second breath. Let the mind reset, then continue. Your focus isn't weak, it's just overloaded. Reduce distractions. Simplify your environment. Your clarity will return. MicroMotiv, life explained in minutes.